Good morning, Texans. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now we'll observe our moment of silent reflection. Quick reminder to seniors, and I'm hounding you every day about this, and I'm hoping your teachers are hounding you as well. We need to get our scholarship offers into counseling. Get those lists to your counselor or to Miss Charlene Jackson, the counseling assistant. Get that done this week. We are getting ready to produce legacy awards. We will produce that week after next. We need to get your scholarship offers included in there if you want those to be recognized, and we want those to be recognized, so get that done. And then graduation honor cords. We sent out some information yesterday to seniors and to senior parents regarding graduation honor cords, how to purchase those. We're still figuring out the delivery process on that, but you can at least get those ordered and purchased now, and so take care of that. Reminder that Legacy Awards will air online May 22nd. Those will be recorded in the weeks prior to that, and then they'll be posted. And then Night of Excellence will be the night before that, May 21st, also posted online for your viewing enjoyment. And then finally, a quick reminder that Dr. Warren will have his Facebook Live tonight at 6. He should have some pretty good updates and information for you in light of the fact that the governor had his update on Monday. We've had some parameters change, that kind of thing. And so look out for Dr. Warren's Facebook Live this evening at 6. Those are all the announcements I have for you today. Texans, I love you. I miss you. I look forward to seeing you, and I hope you make it a great Wednesday.